of mindset do you have to be strong enough to put yourself forward to do this sort of thing?
Oh, that's a very good question. Now, I'd say that the kind of mindset that you need first is the willing mindset to do whatever that it takes, irrespective of what obstacles you're going to meet across the line, because obviously you're going to meet obstacles. You need to have that no matter what mindset. No matter what's going to stand in my way, I will win eventually. Because if you're going to start something with a fear mentality, there's 10% chances that you win. But the higher percentage that you put yourself at a no matter what mindset, you're putting yourself at a 90% mindset, which means you now have 10% of failure, as vice versa if you've got a negative mindset. So if there's anything that to start anything, if it's to be from leaving your job to starting your own business, or from elevating your business to a certain level, you need to have a no matter what. Because you will meet challenges, there will be obstacles along the way. But just tell yourself that irrespective of what's happening, you will not quit. You'll do it irrespective of what it takes to make it.
Wow, that's really awesome. I mean, for you to stand up and stand out from the crowd and do what you love and believe in is really ambitious. It's very ambitious. Are you looking forward to the summits tomorrow?
I'm definitely looking forward to it, and I love what you say, standing outside of the crowd, which is not that easy because we so used to doing, I call it land of the common man, we're used to doing what everyone is doing. The moment you stand out, everyone hates you. You know, everyone is like, who's that weirdo? Because you're standing out. So standing out is the best way, you know. Do not seek to fit in the crowd. At the end of the day, we're all born to stand out. That's why even our fingerprints are not the same. So whatever it takes, even if you don't find yourself fitting in among the community, don't really care about it. Just do what you're born to do, what you're passionate about. Follow your passion irrespective of what people say to you. Yes, they'll mock you because you're not like them. That's why they mock you. At the end of the day, dogs bark at moving cars. You know, so people hate you the moment that they feel intimidated by you.
I'm really inspired by you and your story. You speak so well and you're very confident. That's also amazing.
Thank you so much. It took time, eh?
Wow, to build it up. And
yeah, it took time. So many people. There's a joke. I'd say it's a joke because I believe no one could be more scared than public speaking than death. You'll be not. There'll be something wrong about you. But there's a joke that likes to say that the number one common fear is public speaking. You know, that's why part of the services that we do is we coach people in terms of speaking, in terms of how to engage with your audience, because most of the people they'll be speaking, but you're not even sure if your audience is listening. So that's part of the services that we do, coach people in terms of how to speak, you know, attract the crowd, and also how to avoid crowd words such as, you know, how to deliver a powerful speech that will deliver the agenda of your speech powerfully and impact the crowd and make sure that you and your audience are on the same level. So if you want to book a coaching, just leave a comment below. I'll upload this video on the channel. Leave a comment below and we'll definitely engage in that. Thank you so much.